Next up, we've got Sanjay Banker from Banker BioLoo. So this is going to be a great pitch. I'm looking forward to hearing about technology-based, durable and affordable on-site sanitation system. Welcome, Sanjay.
Right. Thank you. Next, please. Right. So we are an on-site decentralized sanitation system. And as you see, this is a BioLoo. So a toilet cabin and a biodigester tank. It's a specialized tank with a bacterial culture inside. And the fecal waste goes into the tank and is treated, being converted to water and small amounts of biogas. So this is primarily a BioLoo. We can install it anywhere, everywhere. And we've installed over 10,000 BioLoos in India in the last 8 years. Next, please. Right, so some of the milestones and achievements. The company was started as a proprietary firm of Namita, my spouse. I joined her later full-time in 2000. So in 2008, she started. In 2012, we formed Banker BioLoo as a private company. In 2018, we converted into a public company and raised $2 million from the stock exchange through a SME IPO. This was one of the major milestones. During the journey, we partnered Indian Railways for installing and maintaining BioLoos in the trains. And with several companies, we collaborated to install BioLoos in schools primarily. We grew from 2 to 3 employees early on to 1,000 plus today. Thank you. Next. Yeah, so this is again, a diagrammatic representation of the BioLoo. You have the toilet cabin, which are primarily panels. They are taken to the site and assembled. You have the biodigester tank. As you can see, it's a multi-chambered layered tank. And the third one is the water that comes out. And it's pretty good for gardening. We work with a number of businesses, governments, institutions to provide BioLoos to low-income families. And there has been good growth since inception. As you can see the numbers, both in terms of revenue and profitability. Next, please. So though water and sanitation is our primary impact, we touch base a number of other goals also. So we support education through BioLoos in schools. We support gender equity through BioLoos for women at homes, at work sites. The number of jobs creation has increased, thereby goal 8. And likewise, we contribute to health and sustainable cities. Next, please. So this is the team at the top. I, along with Namita, we two are the co-founders of the company. Then along with Akhilesh and the others, we manage the company operating across India for installing BioLoos, manufacturing BioLoos, and operations and maintenance. Next, please. So these are some of our partners and clients. We partner national and global entities, and clients are mostly Indian. As a part of CSR, we provide BioLoos in schools with companies such as Havells, Gale, Dalmia, as you can see. The others are infrastructure companies or oil and gas companies, power companies. We provide BioLoos at work sites for their employees and workers. So it's a plethora of various entities that we work with. And during this journey, we've made also a number of commitments. Our ask is primarily around growth. So far we have focused on India. We wish to go international. So looking for partners for sanitation, and primarily about FSM, fecal sludge management now. The toilet phase is fine, but the next is fecal sludge management. Similarly, with the funds we raised so far, we have grown, and with further equity infusion, we can grow further. Next, please. Right. Thank you.
Sanjay, I think you've given us a perfect example about how WASH program like this can grow from a startup into a sustainable business and indeed incredibly successful. So congratulations to you and your team.